I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. This right here is in 27 days, $81,000. But more importantly in this video, I want to talk about how you guys can literally get cheap clicks with these websites right here I'm going to list. These websites can literally bring you tons of traffic for extremely cheap. It's not strict at all. You don't need to make any ads. All you got to do, you literally have a link, and then you literally promote that link on these sites, and they send you in tier 1 countries like $2. On Facebook, it's like $30 plus, okay, per 1,000 people who see your ad. These people actually land on your website, and for $2, basically around that, you get 1,000 people. So you spend $50, you can end up getting like 25,000 people, actual targeted people for whatever country you want to do. The powerful thing here, guys, is this traffic's the cheapest in the world. So this is ExoClick. They're a huge adult network. They literally get billions and billions of people. They have access to billions and billions of people to show ads to. They have tons of Popunder traffic. X videos is one of their biggest sites that they have under them that you can advertise on. It's insane. At the end of this video, I will share with you guys how you can take advantage of the Popunder traffic and how you can actually crush it. So this next one's called Plug Rush. It's a very good site here for traffic, and they will send you endless amounts, okay? This is juicy ads right here. They're for adult. They got pop-unders, they got banners, direct media buys. And the thing is, you can promote any offer out there with adult websites like this. It's so cool. This right here is Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads is freaking awesome. They're one of the biggest sites out there by far. Like, they're the biggest. They have both adult kind of, but mainly mainstream traffic, which is freaking awesome. They have by far the most Popunder traffic. They also have push placements. They also have native ads, but the push is what you really want to do, which is called on-click ads is what they call it. They literally have 1 billion people. That's more than all of these. I think Zero Park is pretty close to what they're doing. And Zero Park has options for both non-adult and also adult traffic. So if you want to promote like a sweepstake offer, or you want to promote anything outside of adult, you can literally do non-adult traffic, and you can do adult traffic and still see success, because you're literally getting so many eyeballs, so many people clicking. You have the opportunity. All you need to do is have a really good offer. So this one's called Zero Park. So the one I use the very most is actually Propeller Ads, and they're not really adult traffic. They're like mainstream traffic, but Popunder. So they're really powerful and effective. Their quality is insane. Their prices are fantastic. So I work with them the most. This is one of my favorite opportunities in the whole marketing realm of online everything.